And the day after that shooting, many questions about the gunman remain.
We do know the basics, though. We know Colton Tooley was 19 years old, a UT sophomore, math major, and a Crockett High School graduate. But what made Tooley fire a gun on campus yesterday is a question that we all have on our minds, and they're trying to answer that. KXAN's Katina McHenry has more from those who knew Tooley well. Katina?
Sally, good afternoon. Although things are back to normal today at UT, there's nothing normal about today for family and friends of Colton Tooley, and that burning question is why. But that is a question that we may never have an answer to, especially since friends and family of Colton describe him as a person that didn't show any warning signs. There was nothing about his behavior that was ever unusual, or in his behavior never raised any eyebrows to family or friends.
He was quiet, but he wasn't like threatening or malicious or creepy looking.
There was nothing prior to this day, nothing that would lead any of us to believe that this would take place.
That was a cousin of Colton, Marcus. He read a statement from the family yesterday. He also said that would be the only statement that the family would give, and that was the only speaking to the media any of the family members would do, and you can understand why. You can imagine they need to get on and mourn and also take time to heal. We're live from the UT campus. Katina McHenry, KXAN Austin News.